Hello guys, welcome back after a 2-3 year break. Today I'm gonna open up a booster box of Divine Lightning Brilliance. This is a pretty old booster box, but I want to try it out because honestly I'm not really a fan of the new booster boxes of Codfight. And starting, this will be my first video in 3 years, and hopefully I will start to upload regularly again. And I'm planning to upload every Friday for each week. So I guess that's enough for introduction, and I guess we'll just start. Let's get this up. I want to damage the box that badly. For this booster box, I want to get the Gold Paladins and Angel Feathers, because that's the deck I mostly want. But I wouldn't mind the Genesis and Narukami cards as well. Let's pop this up. Okay, and that's the booster box right there. So we have the dice. I think we got Angel Feathers, if I'm not mistaken. Let's get this out. It's pretty cool. Has a symbol. Then we have just the promotional things, and we have our imaginary gift, which is we got Force for this booster box. Oh, we get all of the imaginary gifts. So this Force, Excel, and Protect. Then at the back, just like shows you more. So like this is like one of the new like mechanics that they introduced. So each booster box has 16 packs, I believe, with each pack having 7 cards with 2 res. And I'm hoping for a SP pack. Let's get the first pack open. Gold Pal. So for our first rare, we have Knight of Flying Rings Edmund. And we got our double rare for Narukami, which is a critical trigger. Lightning of Triumphant Return, Resef, and this is also a Sentinel, I believe. Oh, yeah, it's a Sentinel. And second pack. Let's put all the double rares and triple rares aside for now, so we can go back over it at the end of the video. Herd Archer of Biscot. And oh, we got our triple rare, Holy Seraph No CL. So it's actually one of the triple rares I wanted to get the most, because I have an Angel Feather deck based around No CL. But it's a pretty old one where like it was still the G. Care of Tundra Speed Dragon, and another double rare, Stake Feather Civiti, I think that is, and this one's a critical trigger for Genesis. Let's get something from the bottom. I think the top is giving us way too many good pulls. I want to save this for later. And we got Astral Plane, it's a pretty cool card. White Rainbow Wish Piretha, and oh, we got another triple rare, Unappeasable Bitter Gleipnir. So I think the race for this booster box is we get 4 triple rares and around like 5 double rares or something like around like that. So the rates are pretty good. Black Mapping Salafil, and got another triple rare, Dawning Night Gorbadok. So I think we only have one more triple rare left for the entire booster box, but we're still looking for our Vanguard rare. Relentless Knight Lulak, Falling Star Sorcerer Vine, then for Heard Archer this quote, and we got another double rare from Angel Feather, Black Observer Himiel. Let's try this side. You also, that's our third double rare as well. So we have like 2 more double rares, I believe. If I can do some maths properly. Then Astral Plane. And Black Closure Zophiel. And another double rare, Regardless of Fate Known. I don't think we've gotten a pack yet where it's just both rares. Another Astral Plane. The Crux of Satisfaction and Martial Arts Dragon. Those are both rares. Still looking for that Vanguard rare. Bonus here. I think that's the starter for our Angel Feathers. Scalding Angel, and I think this might be our last over. Love Sniper No CL. So, oh, it's different from this No CL. So we got both of the No CLs, which is pretty good. That was hard to open. Knight of Strong Favors, Barangia, Mythic Beast, Hati, for both rares that time. These packs are hard to put in there, remember. White Rainbow Witch Perethra, and Eradicator Spark Raised Dragon. So we're up to our last few packs. So last 5 packs actually. So I'm going pretty quickly. There should be a Vanguard rare here somewhere. Planetary Dragon, Spiral, then for a rare, Eradicator Spark Raised Dragon, and I think this. Oh, it's a triple rare. I think this might be our last triple rare. Yep, it's our last triple rare. Eradicator Plasma Catapult Dragon. So now we got 4 of our triple rares. And now just waiting for, I think, just 1 more Vanguard rare. And maybe 1 more double rare. Because right now we have 5. I'm not sure if we're guaranteed 5 or 6. Aspiration of Limitless Power. I'm not sure what that. Then, Love Machine Gun No CL. Last 3 packs. Busker Surgeon Asafel. And Black Closure Zophiel. And I think this is our Vanguard rare. So this is a Vanguard rare. Black Shiver Gabrielle. It's actually the one I wanted the most. Well, like one of the 2. Because this is for our Angel Feathers. It's a pretty cool Vanguard rare. And it's textured as well. So it has the same foil as the triple rares, but it's just textured. That's how you know if it's like a Vanguard rare. If you can like see using the lighting. So it's last 2 packs. Italian Lance Dragon and Arcturus of Fervent Will. So this is our last pack. I think that's it, if I'm not mistaken. Isolation Eradicator Nusco. Oh, and for the last pack we got double rare. Niles Spring Light Paramore. Okay, so that's it for the booster box. And I think we should just do a recap for everything we pulled. So far, I'm pretty happy with the pulls because we mostly got Angel Feathers and Gold Paladins. So like for example, this one's a Gold Paladin. For double res, we have Nile Spring Lights Paramol, Low Sniper No CL, which is an Angel Feather, Regalia of No One, and Black Observer Hamiel, another Angel Feather, and Drake Feather VT, Lightning of Triumphant Return Reset. For triple res, we have Eradicator Plasma Catapult Dragon, Holy Seraph No CL, which is like Angel Feather. It's one of the triple res I wanted the most. And Dawning Knights Gorbaduk, which is the Gold Paladin. And Unpeasable Bitter Gleipnir. And of course our Vanguard Rare, Black Shiver Gabrielle. So the one I actually wanted the most is either this one or the Gold Paladin one. And I'm pretty happy that we got this. So thank you guys for watching and hope you liked the video. And if you liked the video, please subscribe and like below. And so you guys can stay tuned for every week where I post a new video. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna post only COD videos, because I'm thinking of just posting like games in general. So it's like video games like Valorant, CSGO, things like that. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.